Hello everyone, welcome again to Educant International. Okay, so I'm Emmanuel Hembe by name. So today we are going to be looking at the transpose of a matrix in this series of matrix tutorial. Okay, so the transpose of a matrix A of order m by n, written as A to power t, is the n by m matrix formed by interchanging the rows and the columns of matrix A. Okay, so what this means is that if you have a matrix A of order m by n, remember our m is our row and then our n is our column. Okay, so if you have a matrix A of this order, you are going to be the A transpose now is now going to be n by m. So by the time you finish the operation, you are going to be having your n now will be the row and then the m will be the column. So it's better seen by an explanation. Okay, so by an example, so the transpose of a matrix m by n A written as A to power t is the n by n m matrix formed by interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A. We are going to look at how we are going to interchange that. Okay, so looking at this example, A equal to, we are looking at this example of matrix A equal to a matrix of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Okay, so if we check this matrix, we are going to be having what? 1, 2 for the number of rows. 1, 2, 3. So when we count it, we are looking at this, and then this. That is 3. Then for the 2, we are looking at this and this. So that is 3. Okay, so this is a what? A 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so now the transpose now of this matrix is going to be what? A to power t equals to, now so A to power t is, that is the transpose of A is the n by m matrix formed by interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A. Okay, so how do we interchange this? We are going to take this row now and put it in the what column, and then this second row and put it in the column. Okay, so let me just do it. So that this will become A11, then take this A12, then take this A13, we'll take this A21, we'll take this A22, and we'll take this A23. Okay, so now this has now become our transpose of matrix A. So it's what? The interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A will give us the word transpose. And how do we do that? We take the row 1 and make it column 1. We take the row 2 and make it column 2. Therefore, we can say that A and then A transpose, here we now have what? Column 1 has now become what? Row 1, and then column 2 has now become what? Row 2. Okay, so these are column 1 has become column 1, row 1. Column 2 has become what? Column 2, and then column 3 has now become what? Row 3. Okay, so column 3 has now become row 3. Okay, so moving on from here, look at another example. Okay, so now this has become, and if you check it, it has become what? 1 2 3, a 3 by what? 1 2, a 2 matrix. Okay, so now if we check it, to say the transpose of a matrix n by n A written as A to power t is the what? N by n. 2 by 3 is what? 3 by 2. Okay, so now moving on to the next example. So if we have A to be this 1 2, remember we said that what? Another way we can say it is that what? Column 1 has become row 1, column 2 has become row 2. Okay, so now we have what? Our matrix will now become what? All this will put it down here 1 4, but the next one, that is the first one, it will now become what? 2 8. The next one become minus 3 and then 9. Okay, so if we check it, you see that what? A for column 1 has become what? Our transpose row 1. Where is our column 1? This is our column 1. It has now become what? Row 1. Oh, and then column 2 has now become what? Row 2. Okay, so column 2 4 8 9 has become what? 4 8 9. Column 1 1 2 minus 3 has become row 1 1 2 minus 3. Okay, so that's basically what transpose is all about. So let me just give one last example. Okay, so in this example, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so remember we say row, column 1 will become what? Row 1. Row 1, this is the row 1, will become column 1. Row 2 will become column 2, and row 3 will become column 3. Okay, so now our transpose of matrix B will now become 3 2 9 4 6 5 and then 8 2 9. Okay, so these are column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. If you have a question, leave it below. If you have a comment, leave it below. Or attend. If you have a problem, you can send it to me. You can send it below, and then we'll attend to your question. Take care.